And here in Lagos, a delegation from the Lagos State government, led by the Commissioner for Health, Professor Aki Abayomi, as the Director General of the Lagos State Safety Commission, LSSC, Mr. Lanre Mojola, visited the Synagogue Church of All Nations, Squan, to inspect facilities at the church for COVID-19 protocol and prevention compliance in preparation for the funeral of its late founder, Prophet Temitope Joshua. Speaking after the inspection of the church facilities and meeting with a church official, Abayomi said the inspection was in line with the third wave mitigation strategy of the Lagos State government to prevent importation and spread of the newly deadly strain of COVID into Nigeria. Meanwhile, noting that the late prophet was a prominent person with a large congregation and followers from across the world, the commissioner said funeral rites would expectedly attract people from within and outside Nigeria who will deem it fit to campaign their respect to the clergy. He explained that the Lagos State government considers the funeral activities an important event enough to ensure strict compliance to COVID safety protocol to prevent the importation, transmission or spread of the newly deadly strain of COVID infection into the country. Professor Abayomi added that the inspection and meeting with Squan officials is at the behest of the Lagos State governor, who directed that the church be given all the support required to host the funeral program, but under strict COVID prevention protocol to limit possibilities of introduction of the foreign COVID variants into Nigeria.
And Lagos State has a very strong third wave prevention strategy. And the likely cause of a third wave is going to be an importation of visitors who are infected with the virus. And so we are particularly careful about working with the synagogue to make sure that we have a collaboration that will reduce the opportunity to zero of us either importing a virus or even allowing somebody who is positive to interact with the community.